Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block inappropriate ads in children apps. If your children is using any Android app and it is seeing any inappropriate ads, and now you want to block, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, you just have to select more connections or connection name setting. Just select that and you'll see the DNS setting. You just have to simply go back. If you can't find the setting, just select the search settings option and search for DNS, and you'll get the setting named DNS. It might be private DNS or connection DNS. You just have to select the setting named DNS. Once you have selected, just tap on this again, and here by default it will select it all, for in your case it might be automatic. So you just have to select private DNS provider host name, or in your phone it might be custom DNS. So you just have to select any of the third option here, where whether you can enter your DNS address. So you can see I've already entered my DNS address here. You just have to enter dns.adcard.com. Once I've entered this address, just tap on the save option, and your DNS address will be saved and automatically connected. If it's not connected, or you see here the option of couldn't connect, so it might be that your internet is weak. You have to try to connect with a strong network connection, or you can also retry it. So tap on it again, then tap on off, then save, then re-enable it, so it will be connected. So once your DNS has been connected, you will not see any inappropriate ad anymore. So in this way you can easily block any kind of ads in your children's apps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.